In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet color in Google Slides, a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentations. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll need to enter your Google credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage, a hub from which you can create or edit your presentations. Now let's get into the gist of it. You have two options. You can start fresh by clicking on blank presentation, or if you're looking to build on a pre-designed style, choose from a variety of themes offered. Once you're in your presentation or have created a new one, the next step is to focus on the specific text box that houses the bullet points you want to modify. Select the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it, which highlights the content. With the text selected, you'll notice a small toolbar appearing above or near the text box. Here you'll find multiple options, and among these, locate and click the bullet list icon. This icon typically looks like 3 vertical bullet points. Once clicked, it transforms your selected text into a bullet list if it wasn't already formatted as such. The next step is crucial for changing the color. Look for another icon on the toolbar labeled text color. Clicking it will reveal a palette of colors from which you can choose. This palette might offer a spectrum of colors, allowing you to match your presentation's theme or simply choose a hue that stands out. If there's a specific color you need that's not available in the basic palette, don't worry. Google Slides also offers a custom option where you can enter a specific hex color code to pinpoint the exact shade you require. Once you've clicked on your chosen color, your bullet points should instantly reflect this change. This small tweak can make your text pop, adding a layer of professionalism or creativity to your slides. Remember, consistency is key. If you change the bullet color on one slide, consider doing the same on other slides to maintain a cohesive look throughout your presentation. Thinking about visual appeal, remember that the bullet color should complement rather than compete with your background and text. This way, your audience focuses on the content you're presenting rather than being distracted by clashing colors. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to make your presentations more vibrant and engaging. This minor adjustment can significantly enhance the visual quality of your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different colors until you find the one that best suits your presentation needs. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.